Throughout the world, coastal regions consistently have the highest levels of population density, with about twice the number of people in areas further inland. Even as water levels rise as a result of climate change, coastal areas are having a larger increase in population than anywhere else. It is predicted that half the world's population will live within 100 kilometers of the coast by 2030. Coastal regions also boast large tourism industries, with beaches being a huge draw for visitors. Yet despite its appeal to visitors and residents, the coastline is not naturally suited for modern human use and habitation. Coastal erosion is a natural process involving tides and currents which causes the loss of sediment in some locations and the accumulation of sediment in others. Because of erosion, people occupying the coast are in a constant battle to keep the beaches stationary, when these locations and distribution of sediment within them naturally tend to change. As of now, beach nourishment projects seem to be the most favored way to counter erosion. In the state of North Carolina, beach nourishment projects are cost-shared between the local government and the federal government. Beach nourishment projects are expensive, costing millions of dollars to provide what is only a temporary solution, yet there are some economic benefits to the beach nourishment projects. For one thing, the project creates jobs for the laborers involved with the project. Often the sediment used for the beach nourishment project is taken from inlets, serving dual purposes of improving both the beaches and the inlets. Having recreational beaches also encourages tourism, which helps the local economy. Although tourism does have a few environmental benefits, such as raising awareness and appreciation for the natural resources among visitors, it does, for the most part, have a negative impact on the environment of the coastline by generating waste and encouraging unsustainable coastal development. The environment is affected by beach nourishment projects. Not only do these projects interfere with natural erosion processes, but they are also harmful to coastal wildlife. When a beach is nourished, large amounts of sediment are deposited onto the beach, smothering organisms under the surface. Of particular concern is the effect on sea turtle nests, which can be displaced or destroyed in beach nourishment projects. These beach ecosystems do manage to recover after a project, only to be disrupted again every few years when a new beach nourishment project is underway. Considering beach nourishment is a relatively temporary solution that will become more difficult as sea levels rise, it is likely that the government will cut funding for the beach nourishment, placing the burden of maintaining beaches on the private sector.